welcome back. This lecture is titled How to Write an Effective Paragraph. This is a very brief lecture and it will give you some very quick tips on how to construct a effective and powerful paragraph that contains literary analysis. Okay, what exactly is a paragraph? A paragraph has unity of thought, which means it has a single major idea. A paragraph is a developed thought and should have only one main point. And if you wish to develop another point, the best thing to do would be to use another paragraph. So the general advice is not to include more than one different idea within a single paragraph, because a single paragraph should have a developed and a sustained discussion of one thought or one notion. Usually a paragraph runs up to 7 sentences. It can be anywhere between 4 to 7 sentences, but again the length depends on the complexity of the idea that is elaborated or discussed in that particular paragraph. Now, let's look at the structure of a paragraph, especially in relation to literary analysis. So, we have to have a debatable claim in a paragraph, and that claim, that arguable claim will be the topic sentence of that paragraph. So, we can't just again make a claim, we need to provide proof for that claim, we need to provide evidence or supporting statements for that claim. Only then that claim will be proven, otherwise it will just be an opinion that cannot be proved. Now, we also need to evaluate the evidence in order to strengthen the claim, in order to justify the claim, and that would be the analysis part. Okay, so it is a very important aspect of paragraph writing. And finally, your paragraph should contain effective transitions, not only within the paragraph but also between paragraphs. If you are writing an essay, and an essay is made up of several paragraphs, so between paragraphs we need to include transitions, because only then the listener, only then the reader would understand the logic of the argument. Otherwise, we will have disconnected statements without having the linkages that will hold the paragraph together. So, the topic statement. Let's look at what exactly is a topic statement once again. The topic statement is the claim or the argument for that paragraph. The claim or the topic statement structures the flow of ideas within the paragraph, and a topic statement can be more than one sentence if necessary, or else it can just be one statement that contains all the major ideas that you want to argue. Now, the second section of a paragraph are the supporting statements. The supporting statements can be quotations from or the summary of the literary work. So, you can pick certain interesting quotation or important quotations, or offer paraphrases of those quotations as a part of the evidence that you offer to support your claim that is mentioned in the topic statement. And as I said before, without support, the topic statement will go unproven and will remain just an opinion. And if you think that your topic statement does not seem to require support, then you need to understand that topic statement is probably not an effective one, and it doesn't need a paragraph in the first place. Okay, the analysis, the most important section, at least for the people who are going to write a literary analysis. So, you need to not only just mention the evidence, but also need to interpret the evidence. That's very, very important, because you need to tell the reader how exactly to understand the quotation or a summary, because there are several interpretations and you want to go for a specific interpretation in order to justify your topic statement. And you cannot necessarily assume that your reader will draw the same conclusions that you have drawn about that particular evidence or that particular quotation that you have mentioned as supporting statements. So, you need to kind of take the reader along with you in that journey. As I said again, transitions are key for an effective paragraph. So, they make the paragraphs work really well for any reader. So, use transitions between the topic statement and the supporting statement and the analysis, because these transitional words and transitional phrases kind of chalk the path of the argument. They show how the argument works. They give you the rationale for the supporting documents to be there. Some examples of simple transitions are, for example, for instance, therefore, however, and also. And the function of these transitions are very simple. They give you the relationship between ideas that are mentioned in the various statements that are mentioned one by one within a paragraph. Complex transitions are whole words or even sentences, and again they show the relationship between one idea or to another in a paragraph and between paragraphs. And some very interesting complex transitions are not only but also analogous to, on the contrary, and so on. Thank you for watching. I'll catch up with you in the next session.